have like a pizza team, in my mind, distribution team, like people there to be there to interact and give out food, and then like a cleanup sort of like help facilitate the setup, and then the breakdown team, and then I guess a fourth team is just kind of anybody who is there, doesn't have a job, you know.
Sometimes you want to give advice. Sometimes you have a wealth of information. Sometimes you have expertise. You've been there. You were successful. No one asked you though. So ask for permission and get the consent before you offer advice. You let them know that this is advice. You let them know that it's expertise or whatever it is before you offer it. Ask questions. It shows that you want to know more, and it gives them an opportunity to express more of what the feeling or the thought is.
What's your name?
I'm Sean.
Sean, nice to meet you.
This is AWOL.
AWOL? Why they call you AWOL, AWOL?
He's AWOL.
You better not be. The turnout's great. I love that we have it set up where people can come and show up and get pizza. We've also done some bulk orders and just hand deliver them in the actual cams. So we've done home delivery. They can walk up and get what they need. You know, I think it's beautiful.
There's only so many foods that you purposefully slice to share, right? You know, when you get a pizza, unless you're in Italy, and even when you are in Italy, they still give you scissors to cut it. It comes cut for distribution to share with friends and family. And, you know, these people don't have a lot of that.
I just was speaking to somebody, and I was eating the pepperoni, and I said, this got a Little Caesar beat by a long shot. So, yeah, it was good. You know, the crust was perfect. It was like, did he just make this just now, like right here? Yeah, the pizza was, it should be sold, not told.
I think that each person in Oakland can do something about it, and that's all that's needed. You don't have to solve the whole problem. You have to be a part of any kind of a solution. And Soul, who's giving the massage today, me as an organizer of people who are really awesome and who have so many gifts to give, Mark the Pizza Man, Heather with Homeless Action Center. Everybody has something to give, and so anybody can give something. And it's really fun. It feels good. You live longer. There are physiological benefits to doing it and giving back. So everyone should get involved.
I think it's our responsibility, really more than anything, to create the environment that you'd like to be in. And that creates a responsibility for people who have to help those who do not have. Because it's just as easy for any of us to wake up and find ourselves in these less fortunate circumstances. We have to remember that these are people, that these are humans. We have to treat them as such, create the culture, create the environment, and treat each other how we'd expect that we would be treated if we fell upon the same circumstances. So that's me here trying to create the city and the town that I want.